happy Friday. So here at the River Center, we've fed all of our aquariums. So Fridays are now going to be the fish of the week. And without further ado, our very first fish of the week, and I know a lot of you have been waiting, is our Black Pacu, Igor. So a little bit about what Black Pacus are is they're large fish. They're shaped like plates or discs. Their body makes them well adapted for movement in and around aquatic plants. They have small eyes and an arched back. Their body is dark below and lighter above. Now this is unusual for aquatic animals because it usually is the opposite, which is a form of camouflage that helps protect them. And despite their size, the Black Pacu are peaceful, non-aggressive species. Now, right, he's a big fish. So pacus can actually get to 3 feet in length and weigh well over 65 pounds. So for a big fish, right, what do they eat? So Black Pacus are typically herbivores or plant eaters. They eat fruits, nuts, seeds, and berries that will float along the water for them to go and kind of vacuum up. So here, however, at the River Center, we feed him an omnivore diet. Both with vegetation pellet food, squid, silver sides, krill. So he gets a variety of different types of food, which helps all of these fish actually be able to stay healthy. So what's their lifespan? So out in the wild, pacus can live to about 15 years. We know that our pacu here at the River Center is estimated to be about 50 years old. So where are they from? So they're natively found in the Amazon or the Orinoco River, found in South America. So how did Igor get here? So many species of pacus were actually imported for the aquarium trade or the pet trade. Their cousins are the piranha, so they're actually sold as piranhas, realizing that piranhas stay very small, whereas pacus obviously can grow quite large. So this confusion often leads them to be released into waterways because they're quickly outgrowing their aquarium. So this is a gentle reminder to never release animals that have been kept as pets out into the wild. So pacus have been introduced in the United States as far as Washington and obviously in South Florida and throughout the United States in freshwater rivers. So we know that Igor has been a pet. He spent a lot of his early life as a pet. Obviously, he grew too large to where their owners couldn't take care of him anymore. Instead of releasing him into the wild, they actually surrendered him to Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, where they took care of him for 32 years. So he spent 32 years with biologists for FWC in their exotic invasive species collection. Now, in 2013, their office is disbanded, which means that Igor was left without a home. They contacted us here at the River Center to see if we would be able to take care of him, and we are, and we're going to take care of him for the rest of his life. So what makes Igor so special? Wouldn't you agree? We think that he is the most beautiful fish in the world. His eyes are a little crooked. He was just born that way. We think that he is the most perfect fish in the world. So we think that he's pretty special because he teaches us that not everybody looks the same. Not all fish look the same, but they're very special and important to us. So he's also an ambassador for his species, helping folks understand what exotic invasive species are. We think that he's important because he's a great teaching tool. Because he's big, curious, and slow, students can learn about fish morphology and adaptations right up close. And one of the things that we think he's so special about is that he's fun. In the scientific community, we have a word for large animal species that have a symbolic value or widespread popular appeal, which is called charismatic megafauna. So we think that Igor has plenty of charisma here at the center.